Hi, I'm Michael Ray Grace with the Kidini Karate Bully Prevention Child Safety Program. I want to introduce you to our Kidini Karate Educator Kit. We have a program, it's actually now a Kidini Educator Kit for parents and teachers to teach their children how to be aware, avoid, and escape dangerous situations. How you do that is with stories and songs, and for that age group. So we have a book that's a read-along story book, and that you can color. And then it's sing-along songs, which this is narrated as well, so they can read along and sing along with the book. Not only do we have this book, which you can just read to the children, and that is a storyline, but we have a manual. This is University of Delaware, did a research on it. It said, helping children learn self-protective skills. I'm really proud of that. We won Mama's Best Award, several other awards as well, national awards, for our program. But this is a step-by-step program teaching how to teach very young children, and sometimes it's difficult to talk about these things to child predators. So we do it in a very unique way. These characters also teach how to escape when someone grabs you. That's very unique as well, like twist like a tornado, or low and go like leap of the frog, or dinosaur distance. So they show how to do it in a classroom setting. But anyway, back to that, once they do that individual class, like painting the penguin, they get their certificate with their name on it, and they're very proud of that. So after they do all that, then they have to get their certificate of completion. We want to do that for you by giving that offer for $39.95 digital or $59.95, and here's how that works. Go to our site, it says Teach Children How to Escape. You'll see Kidini.com. Go to Shop Now. You'll see our program, and here's all the things we're promoting. Go to the hard copy, which is this one, or even to the digital copy, which is right here. You can even hear the stories and songs here. There's a way for you to sample those songs and stories. So you can hear what we're doing and see what we're doing before you buy it. Ultimately, what we want you to do is be able to teach the class at a place near you. So we have a Find a Class program. And all those dots, we want you to have your own red dot. Mom and dad signs their child up. They click on your red dot, a class near you, and therefore they register online. Let's get started helping our children be aware and avoid dangerous situations. Michael Ray Graves, Kidini Karate, America's Best Bully Prevention Child Safety Program. See you in class soon.